Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and phone settings so speed gains are real. Plug a USB 3.0 cable into a USB 3.0 port. Quality matters because cheap cables cap throughput. On the phone, enable mobile data and turn on USB tethering, then disable Wi-Fi to avoid routing conflicts. Once connected, close heavy apps and stop automatic backups on both devices so CPU and network aren't shared. These first steps clear bottlenecks and make subsequent tuning effective. Now focus on network and power settings to extract sustained speed. Make sure the phone is locked to the fastest cellular mode available, 5G or LTE, and avoid automatic band switching during testing. On your PC, set the USB network adapter metric lower so traffic prefers the tether, and disable unused adapters to prevent split routing. Also change power settings on both devices to maximum performance. Thermal and power saves reduce modem bursts. Once these tweaks are applied, finish with driver and firmware checks and targeted troubleshooting so improvements stick. Update your phone's modem firmware, verify carrier APN settings match recommended values, and install the latest USB and network drivers on the PC. If speeds remain low, swap the cable and try a different USB port or computer to isolate hardware faults, then reboot both devices to reset network stacks. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and proxies to confirm whether encryption or routing causes the slowdown. That single test often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.